Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining about global warming model. So basically, we are trying to depict in this model how the global warming really happens. What are the causes for global warming in this model? So we have depicted the various reasons for global warming. First of all, let us understand what is all about global warming. The global warming is nothing but there is an increase in the earth temperature due to various reasons. The major reason for global warming is we are trying to depict the factory pollution. After the industrialization, a lot of factories are getting opened up, and because of that, factories are releasing too much carbon dioxide. Because of this carbon dioxide, this whole earth environment is getting heated up. That is the number one reason. The next reason would be the deforestation. Because of deforestation, because of urbanization and industrialization, we are cutting the trees. When we are cutting the trees, what happens? Normally, these trees are absorbing the carbon dioxide. When we cut the trees, this carbon dioxide is not getting absorbed by these trees, and this carbon dioxide will remain in the environment. Because of that carbon dioxide remain in the environment, that is also leading increase in the earth temperature. That is the second reason. And the third reason for global warming is because of natural volcanoes, and this also creates a lot of heat in the environment. Next important aspect of global warming is the melting of these ice cubes which are in the glacier mountains, all these places. Because of this too much heat in the earth environment or earth atmosphere, so we are seeing a lot of ice melting is happening in the polar region as well as mountain region like Himalayas, where we see the ice is getting melted up because of this increase in the earth temperature. And there is also a fourth reason is because of hurricane or storms happening in the sea. Because in the sea water, the temperature is getting increased. When the sea water temperature is getting increased, it creates a lot of hurricanes and storms in the ocean. And from that ocean, when the hurricane or storms creates and it get landed upon the earth area, the storms and hurricanes creates a lot of destruction on the earth, and it creates a lot of stability factors. Both forests will get damaged, even infrastructure, roads, everything will get destructed because of these heavy storms or hurricanes. And another important aspect of global warming is also because these days we are trying to use more cars, more vehicles, more transportation by using natural oil or gases or petrol. Because of that, also it creates a lot of carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is not getting absorbed by the trees because we are doing deforestation. That is also leads to increase in the global warming. And the last important aspect is the methods we are using in the agriculture these days. Because of that as well, we are getting a lot of temperature heat, especially if we talk about by making use of fertilizers and insecticides, whatever we use to grow our crops, even that is getting pollution in the atmosphere. Plus, whatever the mechanism we are trying to use, we are burning the crops as well. Because of that also, we are getting a lot of pollution on the earth atmosphere, and that pollution is leading to global warming or climate changing. When the global warming or climate changing is happening, that means it is getting destruction is happening by having weather conditions abruptly changing, or infrequent or frequent rains, or pattern of rainfall is getting changed, and as well as during summer we are getting rains, and summer we are getting too much heat. Even in colder days we are getting highest temperature. These are all leading because of this global warming. So these are all things. What are the causes for various global warming that we are trying to depict in this model? I hope you guys got a clarity on what is all about global warming and what are we are trying to represent in this model, and how to explain this model as well in your science exhibition also I have clearly explained in this video. So if you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as subscribe to this channel, as well as share with your friends as well, so that they will also get the benefit out of this model on how to explain this global warming in their science exhibition projects. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.